Every modern enterprise is investing in identity security. Password management, SSO, MFA? Check. Beautiful. Until you hit an app these tools can't support. And those apps? They're everywhere. You know, the ones you can't SSO into? Where employees are left to store, share, and update passwords themselves. Where IT manually adds and removes access. Disconnected apps aren't just a headache. They're one of the biggest blind spots in enterprise security. That's where Cerby comes in. The only identity platform purpose-built to bring automations and centralized access controls to any app. No standards or APIs required. Cerby plugs right into your stack and automates the identity tasks your team still does manually. Now, you can extend SSO, enforce MFA, and auto-rotate passwords even without SAML. Automate provisioning and deprovisioning for any app. No tickets or manual workarounds. Integrate every app into your identity ecosystem, so nothing falls outside compliance. No more blind spots, no more manual work, just secure access everywhere.